Hi and welcome back to Singapore Math Tutors. I'm Jiayuan. So today we'll be going through the next objective of our elementary math syllabus. So the first thing will be ratios involving rational numbers and writing a ratio in its simplest form. I know this is very easy. Some of you might have done it in secondary 1 or even in primary school. You learned it already. You learned it really, really well. But I think it's good to revise a little bit and not get too confident because sometimes you just forget things and it's not good because this kind of question is 1 mark and most students will get it correct. Okay, so it's always to just review it a little bit before your exam in case just one question pops up. Okay, so first of all, it's very, very important. You need to know, okay, the definition of ratio. So when it's A is to B, it essentially means also A over B, where B is not equal to 0. So you can essentially write it in its fraction form to look at it even better. I think it's easier to look in the fraction form than the ratio form. And in the next episode, we'll be going through one of some of the very challenging questions involving ratios. Okay. And okay, for next one, we'll try to simplify this. As I said, this is going to be just revision. Okay, it's very easy. So you see two decimal ratio, what do? So obviously you multiply by 10 and you multiply by 10, okay? And then you get 25 over 55. It's not done yet. It's not simplified. We divided it by 5 to get 5 is to 11, okay? Then that's it. Okay, then this, another decimal. So there you see, okay, so how do you make it the whole number? So you just put in 1000, you multiply by another 1000, okay, and then you get this. So after this 180 and 204, what you can do is you can take 180 divided by, say, their common multiple factor is 12, okay, so 15, and 204 divided by 12 is 17. Okay, so this is your most simplified ratio. And then for page 13, for the next question, okay, we have this, a ratio and a whole number 1. So there are two methods to do this. First, you can just simply change ratio to decimal. Fractions to decimal here. So 4 over 5 is 0.8. So with 0.8 is to 1. Okay, remember the method that we did just now. So we simply times 10. So we get 8 is to 10. And then equals to 8 is to 10 divided by 2 is 4 is to 5. Okay, that's how you do it. Or you can multiply by 5 to get rid of this. So you get 4 is to 5. So very, very simple. It's just really just primary school stuff or secondary school stuff. But then page 14 with an even more complicated one, okay, which involve 1 3 over 5 and 2 4 over 5. But you can simplify it by changing the fractions into decimal and did what we did just now, or you can do it this way. You can use our definition, like we just said, A is to B is equals to A over B. So A is on top. So I'll just change it to 8 over 5 for easy reference. And then 4 over 5 is 14 over 5. Okay, so this simply means that A divided by B, right? The blue one divided by the green one. So we have this over here. And then we swap the 14 and 15 to get this. 5 over 15 to make it times. Correct? So then we get 8 over 14, which is equals to 8 is to 14. Okay? So really it's just that simple. So I hope this is a good revision for everyone. And in the next episode, we'll do even more challenging questions. Okay? Thank you.